We are calling all Oreo lovers. Your cookie crunching habits might just reveal your hidden personality traits. Are you curious about the 10 ways to eat an Oreo? Number 10 at the end is a game changer.
Let's go off the cuff before we start and learn the mystery of the name. The origin of the name Oreo remains a mystery. While some speculate it may come from the Greek word Oreos, meaning beautiful or mountain, others think it could be a combination of letters in cream or chocolate used creatively. Nabisco has never confirmed the true inspiration. Let's dive in.
Number 1. If you're a classic bite person, you're traditional and reliable, just like your snack. Confident and no nonsense, you love simplicity and balance.
Number 2. Dunkin' Milk fans, you're comfort-seeking and nostalgic. Warm, approachable, and easygoing, you savor life's cozy moments. Watch until the end and see how dunking number 10 changes everything.
Number 3. Twist apart and eat the cream first. You're playful, detail-oriented, creative, friendly, and always curious about the finer things in life.
Let's take a twist and go off the cuff. Here is the twist test tradition. Roughly 50% of Oreo eaters twist the cookie apart before eating it. Surprisingly, Nabisco has found that more women than men engage in this twist-then-eat ritual. This simple act has become part of the cultural identity of Oreo cookies.
Number 4. Eating the cream and saving the cookie for last means you're sweet, patient, thoughtful, and reflective, and you appreciate the journey.
Number 5. Double stuff or specialty. Flavor enthusiasts. You're adventurous and fun-loving. Creative, trendy, outgoing. You're the life of the party. The double stuffed is still no match for number 10 at the end.
Number 6. Remove the cream and eat the cookie. You're practical, minimalist, independent, and confident in your bold choices. Number 7.
Smash and use in recipes types are creative and innovative. They are fun, open-minded, and friendly. You share your tasty experiments with everyone.
The perfect recipe crumble will follow after our following off-the-cuff comment. Oreos are one of the most versatile cookie ingredients and are often smashed into fine crumbs for recipes, creating a rich chocolatey base or topping. From pie crusts and cheesecake bases to milkshakes and ice cream toppings, crushed Oreos add a satisfying crunch, becoming a go-to for desserts. Food enthusiasts have even developed a technique for the perfect Oreo crumble. Put the cookies in a food processor or put them in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin to create a uniform, fine crumbs that enhance nearly any treat.
Number 8. Slowly nibble each side separately. You're patient, methodical, introspective, and thoughtful, savoring every detail.
Number 9. Eat in layers, and you're structured and analytical. You're also creative, unique, and detail-oriented. You break things down to understand them fully.
But first, let's go off the cuff again and mention the global popularity of Oreos with a local twist. Oreos are sold in over 100 countries and come in strange flavors worldwide. In China, for instance, you can find green tea Oreos, wasabi Oreos, and even spicy chicken wings Oreos. While traditional flavors dominate in the US, Oreo continues to adapt to diverse global tastes.
Number 10. The game changer you've been waiting for. If the mega stuffed Oreo is your favorite, you're bold and indulgent, playful, fun, confident, and decisive. You go all in for the maximum experience.
According to Sheldon Cooper from The Big Bang Theory, Oreos are the answer to life's problems. So, how do you eat your Oreos? Tell us in the comments and share this with your Oreo-obsessed friends.
Thanks for watching. I invite you to subscribe to see more off-the-cuff unscripted videos and positive Vibe Club shorts to help my channel grow. I'd appreciate you commenting on a subject you'd like me to cover in a video so that I can continue creating content for our community. My recommended video has been selected especially for you based on your watch history.